how to turn off the flash alert for text messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you turned on the flash alert for text messages on iPhone and you want to turn it off now? Then you're in the right place. So, first things first, open up the settings app on your iPhone and then you'll have to tap on accessibility option, then scroll down and look for audio and visual, then go ahead and click on it and scroll down again and you'll find LED flash for alerts option at the bottom. So tap on it and you'll have to toggle it off. Now your camera flash won't go off anymore when you receive a text message. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.